Dumelang. My name is Kagiso Yabakwena Modupi. I am a film and television producer, director, and actor in South Africa. There's been a lot of negative news about me going in various media platforms, and I haven't responded. And I think that this is the time for me to address the issue at hand. I want to give context of how the show Pimville came about. It's a collaboration between Bakwena Productions Media House and Brenda Mugwebo, who the concept belonged to. And she collaborated with us based on the experience and the credentials that Bakwena Media Group had. Once the contract was signed, I was then removed from being an executive producer to being a head director. Since the inception of the show, I have never been involved, or had it been my responsibilities to take care of any financial functionings of the show. That is the responsibility of Channel, the executive producer, the producer, and the line producer. And I have to reiterate as well to say I have never been involved in who gets hired and who gets fired. My job as the head director was to make sure that I deliver a good quality product that can be enjoyed by our consumers. During production, things started going wrong financially. Actors were not paid, suppliers were not paid, the crew was being paid, and I flagged it with my partners first, and I was told to stay in my lane, and I was shut down. And then I continued to flag it with Channel and the relevant people who are sitting at Channel, and I was given the impression that it is been taken care of. I have to say that when things got a little worse, I also motivated for the introduction of a supervising producer so that they could come in and remedy the situation. And here we are now, where actors are not paid, crew is not paid, suppliers are not paid. I myself, I haven't been paid as a head director. And so the narrative out there is that I am responsible for it, of which I am not. And that's what I really want to clear. I have to also say that I am in full support of the cast as a thespian myself, the crew, the suppliers who have provided a service and they haven't been compensated for their services. So Channel and production are working on a solution so that they can sort this problem out. Because people need to get paid, man. People need to get paid for the hard work that they've put in, for their talents. And that's why I still remain in full support of people getting paid, people who have contributed to making the show a success, and where it is right now. People that know me and they know what I stand for, and they know why I started Bakwena Productions and what values it stands for. And that's why I, for the past year, I have detached from Bakwena Media Group and rebranding Bakwena Productions to Modupi Studios, and I'll be bringing in an innovation that's going to contribute positively to the industry and contribute to the producers, the actors, and the crew, making sure that people get paid what they are worth. And that's where I am now. I would also like to thank, like, genuinely, I wanna thank everyone who has really supported me during this time. I want to thank my producers from channels and actors and just colleagues and the crew who sent me messages of support, who have also supported me publicly and even in private. I really appreciate that. And that makes me, just feel that you know who I am and you know what I stand for and what my values are. And I can't wait to continue on to this journey with you guys and contributing positively to the industry.
Hello everyone, Genochisanak and welcome to my channel. So that was actor and Bakwena Productions co-owner Kagiso Modupe responding to the backlash after the new telenovela Pimville playing on SABC2 was abruptly stopped from airing when cast and crew were reportedly not paid at the end of April, following similar non-payment issues in March by Bakwena Productions. Now, this very same production, co-owned by Kagiso Modupe and Rashaka Mofe, has also faced previous backlash and legal threats in 2024 and 2025 over unpaid cast and crew on their BET Africa series Pound for Pound, with some actors continuing to pursue legal action and CCMA intervention into 2025 despite claims that payments had been settled. Whilst Kagiso is denying being involved, the SABC has placed the blame on his company Bakwena Productions. In a statement issued last week Wednesday, the broadcaster said it had met all its contractual payment obligations to the production company and was up to date. The SABC added that Bakwena Productions was in breach of contract and that it was engaging the company to resolve the issues. The SABC went on to reveal that contingency plans had been put in place to ensure continuity on SABC2, while alternative production options were being considered if necessary. As if that's not enough, Bakwena Productions was previously hit by another scandal. According to Daily Sun, Mandla N and Kagiso Modupe are still at odds over an unpaid 4.2 million rands loan. Mandla N's production company Black Brain Pictures reportedly loaned Bakwena Productions the money, which was meant to be repaid by 30 March 2025, but allegedly was not settled. Bitch, better pay my money. This Bakwena production has been surrounded by controversy after controversy. I don't even know how they got the deal to be behind Pimville after their stint or rodeo with BET. I hate companies that do not pay their employees. Imagine being on set from 7 to 7 or whenever, only not to get paid at the end of it. Anyway, do let me know what you think of what Kagiso said in that "It Wasn't Me" video.